So just sitting down comfortably, make sure you're not going to be disturbed for the next 10 minutes. We're going to begin with the eyes open, aware of the space around you. And when you're ready, just starting with a few big deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. These deep breaths not only helping the body feel a little more relaxed, but also just calming the mind. With the next out breath, you can just gently close the eyes. And before you do anything, just take a moment to enjoy that feeling of having nothing to do. Starting perhaps to notice the different sensations in the body. Don't worry if the mind's thinking, just allow the thoughts to come and go. Just feeling that contact of the body against the seat beneath you. Notice whether the weight is evenly distributed. The feet on the floor, and the hands and the arms just resting in your lap or on your legs. They're just sort of settling in to your body. Starting to notice the space around you as well without opening the eyes. Just starting to notice any sounds. Not thinking about them, just acknowledging them. In fact, just allowing the sounds to come and go in the same way you allow thoughts to come and go. And as you bring the attention back to the body, just checking in, noticing how the body feels right now. So the body will naturally let go of tension once we're aware of it. Just starting at the top of the head, just gently scanning down through the body. Noticing which areas feel comfortable, which areas feel uncomfortable. Evenly scanning down, not getting stuck on any one area. If the mind wanders, and just letting go of that thinking, coming back to the body as you scan down towards the toes. And as you scan, you may have already noticed that rising and falling sensation of the breath. It doesn't matter whether you feel it in your stomach, in your chest, diaphragm, wherever you feel it. Just beginning to follow that movement. If you can't feel anything, just gently placing your hand on the stomach. And noticing that rising and falling sensation. And to begin with, we're just going to stay with that movement. If you find it easier to maintain focus, you can just count the breaths as they pass. So 1 with the rising sensation, 2 with the falling sensation. So we're just going to count to 2 each time. So 1 with the rise, 2 with the fall. 1 with the rise, 2 with the fall. Just staying with that. Just for a few more seconds. And then just letting go of any focus on the breath or on anything else. Just giving the mind a few seconds just to do whatever it wants to do. So if it's been wanting to think, you can allow it to think now. Just letting the mind be free. And then just reconnecting with that feeling of the breath. Just coming back to that rising and falling sensation. Counting the breaths as they pass if you find it helpful. It's a very gentle focus. Not a lot of effort required. Just for a few more seconds, staying with the breath. And then just letting that focus go again. Once again, just allowing the mind to be completely free, no effort required, nothing to do. And then one last time coming back to the breath. Without breathing in any special way. Just reconnecting with that rising and falling sensation. So just maintaining that very gentle focus. Staying with the rise, following the fall. And then one final time letting go of any focus. And now just letting the mind do whatever it wants to do. Enjoying having nothing to do. Just allowing the mind to be free. And then just slowly bringing the attention back to the body. Just starting to feel the weight of the body again. That contact against the seat beneath you and the feet on the floor. Beginning to notice the sounds and the space around you. And when you're ready in your own time, just gently opening the eyes again.